So today's topic is preposition. You have earlier read this topic also. A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with something else in the sentence. Like
Ma'am, your voice is coming so slow.
now, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with something else in the sentence. Okay? I can give you one example. If I will say, I go school. So is it clear to you? If I will say, I go school, I go to school. Now it's clear to you? So what is to here? To is
Yes, ma'am.
preposition here. So it is telling me the relation of I and school. Okay? The words which tells the relation with noun and subject with the object. So that is called a preposition. So preposition help us to understand the sentence in a better way. So there are kinds of preposition based on their use in a sentence: preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of moment, and based on the construction of preposition themselves, there are simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, or participle preposition. Up to this much is clear, children? Okay, fine. Now we are going to understand three types of preposition based on the categories, like preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of movement. So preposition of place tells us the position. Refer to those preposition which can be used to show where something is located. Okay, these are the preposition of words used which show us where something is located. Here are some examples of preposition of place: above, up, after, on, before, against, by, behind, below, along, near, down, in, at, across, inside, between, over. Priyanshi, pay attention, beta. Priyanshi, pay attention. Children, turn on your cameras, everyone. So the aeroplane is flying above the clouds. So you can see here above is the preposition and it is telling us the place. And we will put up the question with where. Where the aeroplane is flying above the clouds. So it is telling us the position. The dog buried the bone under the ground. Again it is telling us the position. So we can put up the question with the help of where. Where the dog buried the bone. Okay. Our house is at the end of the street. Where is our house? So we are getting answer of where. So it is telling us the position. The cat ran across the road. Where the cat ran? The cat ran across the road. So it is telling us the position and we can put up the question with WH where. So next one is a preposition of time helps to link the noun or pronoun with the time value. It functions as an indicator as to what point of time did an event occur. And you will put up the question with when. Okay? So we can have examples like about, before, for, by, around, in, ago, at, past, since, to, on, after, until, between, during. So the train is about an hour late. Okay. So it is telling us when the train will come. Okay. At about an hour late. The classes begin at 8 o'clock. When the classes begin. It is giving the answer of when. My birthday falls on Wednesday. When my birthday falls on Wednesday. India has been independent since 1947. When India has been independent. So it is giving the answer of question word when. So preposition of movement is used to show movement or to or from a place. Like examples: down, past, into, behind, up, onto, through, off, over, on, across, at, by, for, after, towards. The cat has climbed up a tree, so it is telling us the movement. The children got off the bus. She ran along the pavement. The bus goes towards the market. So you can say here the books are dash the cupboard. You can see the books where the books are. You can give me answer in chat. The books are, come on children, write down fast. The books are in the cupboard or inside the cupboard. You will write in the cupboard. The dog is, you can see the dog, where the dog is. The dog is, come on children, fast. The dog is under the chair, absolutely right. The apple is on the book, absolutely right. So next one is,
Voice is not
can see-
coming.
my voice is not coming. Now am I audible? Now am I audible?
Your voice is clear.
Okay, fine. Now you can see the answers. Now next, the horse is jumping, dash, the wall.
Ma'am, over the wall.
Yes, over the wall. The boy is writing dash the blackboard.
Front of
On
the
the
black.
blackboard.
On the blackboard. He's writing on the blackboard. The rat is dash the cat. The rat is
The rat is on
Behind
the cat.
the cat.
Behind the
the
cat.
behind होता है हमारे पीछे. It's near the cat. Okay, or beside the cat.
Okay, ma'am.
So you can see here. Now, based on the construction of preposition themselves, the prepositions are of 4 different types. Simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, and participle preposition. Okay. Now, simple preposition consists only one word, and they are very simple to understand. These are the most basic preposition and are used frequently. Am I audible, children?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here are some examples for simple preposition: above, under, around, through, after, on, before, about, among, behind, along, near, down, in, at, across, between, over. The paper is on my desk. The van was standing under the tree. I will meet you near your house at 5 p.m. She is currently staying in a hotel. So next, double preposition are 2 prepositions which are joined, like onto. Okay? So you can see here inside, outside, into, onto, upon, up to, within, without, amid. Outside the house lies a beautiful garden. It is up to us to find a way out. The dog jumped onto the bed. So it is a joined. That's why it is called double preposition. Once upon a time. Okay? So next one is compound prepositions are not the joint preposition. Okay, they are and they are not turned into one word. They remain as 2 different words. So you can see here, according to, apart from, close to, because of, far from, next to, rather than, instead of, out of, due to, relating to, in front of. My car is parked in front of the house. Rita was never close to her parents. She cannot stay here as of now. His behavior is far from normal. So you can see here, these prepositions are not joined. Okay, that's why they are called double preposition. So you can see here, participle prepositions are basically participle. You know, you all know what are participles. We are using en or ing. Okay. So you can see here, concerning, during, excluding, even en is used given, following, failing, respected, provided, pending, considering, notwithstanding, including. Everywhere my father went, his dog was following him. Ram is always curious about anything concerning Shyam. Everybody was invited to the function bearing small children. So the young boy is dash the phone right now. My family is going vacation this summer. The toy bear is, so you can use the
Coinciding.
preposition